So the purpose of this lecture is to show you a sample packet tracer lab. And here you'll learn some troubleshooting skills as well as basic packet tracer navigation. So in this simulation, host 1 reports a random problem connecting to server 1 applications. So there's host 1, server 1, and that's all we know from the problem report. So the first thing to do is ping from host 1 to server 1. So that's 192.168.3.1 from here. So select that, and then desktop, command prompt. That'll send 4 ICM ping requests from host 1 to server 1. That'll test layer 3 connectivity. And based on that, if that doesn't work, then we'll go on to the switch. So request timed out, sent 4, received 0, so lost equals 4, 100% loss. So there's no layer 3 connectivity to the server. So the next thing to do is verify the operational status of switch 1 interface FA01. So that's the interface connected to the host. So select the switch, CLI, enable, then from here I'll do show IP interface brief, and just move this to the, resize it. So there's 01. So 01 is down and down. So that interface is currently not operational. 11, however, uplink to the router is operational. There's 11 there. So that's interesting. So step 3 is verify the interface configuration settings for 01. So we'll go back to the switch. And show run. So here, there's 01, so it's assigned to VLAN 10. It's an access port, so nothing wrong there. However, duplex half, it's running duplex half. That's the duplex setting. So this is duplex half. So the next thing to do is go to host 1 and verify the duplex to make sure it matches. So we'll go over here to config and interface. And here, there's the IP address and the subnet mask, and it's set for full duplex 100. So there's a duplex mismatch there. The host is running full duplex. So the next thing to do is we'll change switch 1 to full duplex. So configure T, interface FA01, duplex. We'll change it to auto because that's the Cisco recommended. Then they can negotiate. Then end. Copy run to start. So the startup is updated for next time it reboots. And go show run. And there's no duplex showing now because auto is the default, so it doesn't show up, and that's typical of Cisco. So now if this is auto, probably should go and change this to auto as well, just so they match. So now they're both on auto. So now that has changed. Now I can go to desktop and retry the ping. So I'm going to use up arrow because they'll bring the command again. It'll send 4 ICMP pings again. And there it is. It usually takes a couple of tries to converge. So try the ping again, and there was a reply, so we'll try it again. And all the replies are going through. So the other thing you can do is go back to desktop, and you can open up a web browser to the server. So just the server address, and there it is. So you've got application layer connectivity to the server from the host. So connectivity is restored. You can go back to switch 1, for example, and do a show IP interface brief again. And there it is, up and up. So that concludes the troubleshooting lab and navigation of Packet Tracer as well.